Check this out. This rusty, unassuming old gadget is a treasure the guy scored for just $1. From the scrapyard, he brought it home already battered and worn, emanating an ancient vibe as if narrating its own history. But in the dude's eyes, this ain't just some piece of junk. It's a work of art, with every detail oozing charm. As a restoration expert, the guy decided to flex his skills and breathe new life into this old relic. Just what will this beat-up contraption transform into under his craftsmanship? Let's wait and see. The whole process is mad therapeutic. If you're into restoration vids, don't miss this one. Our man's been grinding for 10 hours straight, putting in that hard work. To wrap up this project ASAP, anyone know what this is? Feel free to drop your guesses in the comments. They say clicking like is a courtesy. Not clicking is just expected. But since you've made it this far, surely you won't be stingy with that heart. Your support fuels these artisans to keep creating. So mad thanks for that. As the video nears its end, let's take a moment to admire the final result. Did it blow your mind, or what? Absolutely stunning, right? Curious to hear your thoughts on his handiwork. On a scale of 1 to 10, what score would you give? Leave a comment and let us know. We'll be sharing more restoration vids daily. Catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.